If you're wondering whether you can change your password on the Evernote app, the answer is yes, and in this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step. This is a simple but important security task, especially if you think your password is weak, if you've forgotten it, or if you just want to keep your account protected. I'll show you exactly where to go in the Evernote app, how to request a recovery email, and how to set a new password correctly. And if this guide helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy app tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Evernote login page and sign into your account. If you're already logged in on your device, that's even better because it will make the process quicker. Once you're inside Evernote, look to the lower left corner of the app and click your profile icon. This is where Evernote keeps your account and profile options. After you click your profile icon, a menu should appear. From that menu, select Account Info. This will take you into your main account settings area. If you don't see it immediately, take your time and look carefully because this is the section where Evernote manages your personal account details. Now that you're on the account settings page, find and click Account Security. This is the area where you can manage password-related options and other security settings. Once you're in Account Security, you should see the option to change password. Select that option to begin the password reset process. Evernote will usually ask you to confirm your identity by sending a recovery email. Enter the email address linked to your Evernote account, then send the recovery email. This step is important because it proves that you're the owner of the account and helps keep your information secure. Next, open your email inbox and look for the message from Evernote. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, junk, promotions, or updates folder just in case it landed there. Once you find the email, open it and click the Recover Password link. This will bring you to a secure page where you can create a new password. Now enter your new password carefully. Make sure it's something strong and secure, and try to avoid using a password you've used before. For best results, use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After typing your new password once, enter it again to confirm it. This helps make sure there are no mistakes. When both password fields are filled in, click Confirm. Evernote should save your new password and update your account security settings. After that, you can sign in again using your new password to make sure everything worked properly. If you ever get stuck during this process, the most common issue is not finding the recovery email, so always check all your inbox folders. Also, make sure you're using the correct email address connected to your Evernote account. If you enter the wrong email, the recovery link won't work for the account you want to update. So, to recap, the process is: log into Evernote, go to your profile icon, open Account Info, go to Account Security, choose Change Password, request the recovery email, open the message, click Recover Password, and then enter and confirm your new password. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.